Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Tiguan model, VIN and current infotainment version so you download the correct package. Once done, prepare an SD card or USB formatted FAT32, 8 to 32 GB, and copy a backup of your current maps. Do not skip this. Make sure the vehicle battery is healthy or use a 12V maintainer. If power drops, the update can brick the unit. Now insert your media and switch the ignition to accessory. Then access the System Update menu to begin. You copy the official update files exactly as provided. Preserving folder structure matters because the system reads specific paths. Once the media is ready, insert it and navigate to Settings, System, Update. Select the external media and confirm. During installation, keep the ignition on and avoid interacting with the unit. The update may show percentages and several restarts, and it can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on maps and firmware. If prompted, follow on screen, prompts to accept versions, and begin the flash. You let the unit finish its final reboot and then check settings to confirm the new software and map versions. Once done, re-import any personal settings you backed up and make sure to calibrate the compass or GPS if the system prompts. This improves accuracy. Then run a short test route, verify voice guidance, and POI search. If you see incorrect routing or missing maps, clear the nav cache and retry. If problems persist, contact dealer support with your VIN and the update log. They can diagnose failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.